who are to hinder me. I, Dr. Ravindranath Ray, I have given my previous videos where I have given the all details. Now to add my 5, 6 or 7 to 8 videos to it will be mean to the Joe Biden, US President-elect, and Kamala Harris, Vice President, other Democrat senators and congressmen of their predecessors and the present Democrats and associated CEOs executed for private or government executive places are almost satanic mentality. They are not honest honor, impostor এবং satanic minded. Thus strive to give their allowing of their friend which are extremely satanic curseful elements which has been sent by the God Jesus or others Indian gods to teach you people and Indian politicians who are doing vulgar actions in the name of anarchism as just anarchists to arrange anarchic condition and to continue anarchic condition and to deny justice for all. So this is to bring your kind notice on this date. I am recording of this time, but I have awakened to type this matter at 3 p.m. This was 17 to 18 hours previous my post in this video of yesterday 2nd January. The such thousands I was to mention. Somebody has cut such 1,000-kilometer circular areas. I have to mention in such places. I will to mention this condition that first I have to there is a lot of computer intrusion to misspell this sentence by deliberately handling key. Thus, I am informed those I am unable to rapidly to do the things at a time. There will be a lot of disturbances, and that they are to create deliberately. So why I have mentioned that Sirubinji, why to blame Joe Biden Kamala Harris, predecessor Democrat, for allowing such God-sent curseful elements allowed be thriving to destroy the whole world life, climate, nature, calamities as man-made waste from undersea, deep in heavy machines, hardy compact systems. You see this, I cannot move freely these boats and vessels, floating heavier vessels on the water surface, dipping masses of witches. These are created this misspelling which has been added in my dictionary, and they said to suppress this spelling mistake, to witches word about that very allergy and fearful condition about this witch's mentality. Sex quite as the witchcrafty. Against this thing, they have deliberately misspelled this thing. That witchcraft doing. What I have to that mentioned there repeatedly. You see this, they have copied. What I have to mention before this area from where they are doing. तो फर्स्ट आई एम टेड फॉर इंडियन न्याय सब के लिए और फॉर यूएसए एक्सेस टू जस्टिस फॉर ऑल अबाउट दिस क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड क्लाउड इन दिस हॉरिबल मैनर दैट इज abnormality man-made things that cannot be for carbon dioxide others what you want to blame. These peoples who are just octopus like bodies from undersea to hack my digital system to prevent me in YouTube uploading. These are annihilators, annihilamind for annihilation purpose of the whole world. That one is a Mrinal Ghosh, criminal Madhu Ghosh, Jayanto Tarabdar, Milan Samajpati, Amit De, Dr. Amit De, veterinary of the culprit, Divyendu Maiti, Dipankar Chakraborty Maiti, then Sushant Singh, or the Sasadar Singh, the Jodu Singh, Madhu Singh, veterinarian, or this Tunga, Bhanga, Bhanjo, and Dasarati, Jivan Duggal, etc., Manoranjan Khara, etc. Then Tujit Singh, that etc., Tushar, Tuzit, Torkoi, Tukyot, Amar, that Rothin Sengupta, P.K. Uppal, Vidyut Bagchi, Bijan Ghosh, Bidesh Ghosh, Sujit Ghosh, Somit Ghosh, Devajit Ghosh, Devajyoti Ghosh, Somajyoti Ghosh, Sambuddha Ghosh, Krishala, etc. That I have to mention from where these are used your eastern coast, that Bermuda, these things, and is your from Washington to whole this Virginia, Louisiana, up to Louisiana. So from these peoples where disturb the deep wreck to take into the deep water bottom, where they create heaviness on the surface, unless how to such vaginal like cloud informs you to see this. Those are to mention in these areas we see in the Kashmir regions of this cloud, and also Indian sky we see this your man-made cloud formations on the vessels or system you did. For that they are talking Mr. Tornado. How can be the cloud in such a tornado? It is a vortex formation, your vortex machine dipping in the sea. You to make Bekup, foolish Indian. But Indian Gita, religious scripture, describes all this count formation for magnetic field creation and the earthquake, the lightning, etc. All those by this thing. So you have critically see this cloud, how can be gap in this cloud formation. All this I have brought. So now I am to go to mention praising Republic and previous one, which has ordinarily white people, there was no black or brown mix-up. I to mention how the gravitational and magnetic field is using. Now thus I am repeating Sri Robinji complaining just at 2 p.m. of this date, as he has to move one place to other room at different height to manage earth inner gravitational and magnetic field tensed, as such deliberately brought heavy setup based tension creation, that is for to snatch life of innocent, to create suffocative and for head where cannot be kept upright, that you have to lying down, and on blade for reducing that burden of heaviest magnetic field being put deliberately, as mentioned in such 5 or 6 videos that will be termed serially, meant for communication to US, communication of USA, Indian and rest world humanity, the world humanity based what you claim politician, that to inform that world humanity has been made helpless state, describing informing purposes for Joe Biden Democrats, and as his mentality, what I found that anti-humanist and predecessors were also anti-socialist, satanic friends. They are friends because a lot of change in between when I've written, and after that there was you are inspiring, and seeing you are not seen, listening you are not heard in such a manner, avoiding and defying this complaint what this agency of your private company, National Oceanography Administrative Authority or Woodland Holy Oceanographic Institute, or PADI, which is a professional driving institutional institute, organization, international, all this creating. So I have to mention you this. This is my Twitter page. You to see what I have mentioned. Those area, such 1,000 kilometers circular areas are affected by the system moving in unhindered manner at undersea in a deep and spread rail tracks for submersible engines of compact nets, rail boats, etc., submersible boats. At sea bottom lands, the quick vessels from hanging, those they are sending that heavy instrument, and no traffic, no camera supervision from your satellite or NASA that can pervade that 3 kilometers water, deep bluish water. It is very difficult to record all those because you have no doubting, so you are the good faith, your flag being misused. So I have to reported this is already in my Twitter for Indian government's in where they to mislead still date USA and other country government where these paddy peoples, this multinationalist identity is taking even fraud passport of NATO forces for all countries they to move, or European Union for one identity they can move everywhere. Those in various disguises come religious leader, sometimes political, sometimes the human activities, come the climate technology, sometimes that Red Cross, UNICEF, the world meteorologist, a biologist, some chemist, some physicist, some medical doctor, some veterinarian doctor, agriculture expert, etc. They are to visit from India and also from USA mainly. But taking USA identity, that will be easy. That they have hijacking UN offices only where USA has been destroyed by this force. Their identity is taking, misusing, even they to reach Indian foreigners' IDs, misusing USA, UK, mainly from Indian, in fake excuse to get all facilities. They have misplanned my all those things because a lot of that miscreation, computer intrusion that I am doing repeatedly, that they are acting, advising as also Indian government to mislead as if they are beneficial, not harmful, to come India and to request to suppress, ignore my complaints, to prevent, even they are spread coronavirus, but they are to mislead you people as if they are beneficial mankind, to early advise to bring vaccine from private organization what they have supplied China previously and they used secretly before to spread those virus. So those peoples, and why Democrats are less affected and the sea peoples are less affected towards scuba diver. So all those matter has been I to put you peoples to produce spread virus as a biowarfare from your lab stolen. As Donald Trump complained that has gone China. China has spread, may not be China, government is responsible, but this your blue whale, Indian born, USA citizenship, who are to scuba diver, to act as a spy, news reporter, travel sea and sea exploration, to see these defense inputs, give or other purposes, but wrongly they are to transfer your technology, bringing from your country, taking this USA merchant identities they have transferred through Taipei or directly investing in China, Hong Kong, Shanghai, etc., and Singapore. These peoples have reached to the Dubai where they have all latest technology for oceanography, other purposes. They are visiting all your supreme bossism in the world, USA. They are USA identities and UK identities to reach in each and every spot. Even they are looting Indian money's bank and taking shelter in USA or UK, where they are not being sent to India for punishment. So this is also in their way they have being reached from India and left India. They have started ship spirit smuggling because they are Indian Navy peoples. They are behind for today all sudden abnormalities. What I meant in as the cloud or the premature death while the normal people, younger people at 60 years age, that Diego Maradona is killing. He died. People think he has died, but he was killed. The other happening also in the nature, climate, weather changes, same time simultaneously occurring. That ponds, if there is a water witchcraft is being done pond or lake or sea, mainly from this sea and from underneath, that is becoming very effective. This is very dangerous for all creatures, life, mind, body, as they are inner pervader, inner body magnetic field, earth gravitational field misuser. So I have to mention that you cannot estimate your science and technology based people killing that trained people who are digital experts, atom bomb technology have with them, they have transferred those technology Pakistan to renew this new bombs, and also China, North Korea, to Malaysia, Indonesia, Malta, Maldives, Madagascar, Croatia, Sicily, Morocco, everywhere they have kept very heavy that third world war which can be found that undersea by you people and this blue whale undersea people who they have kept all over the world near about 6,000 center at the deep bottom. They have kept these secret systems. You just using your country's facilities. That is becoming used, that will be used. What you think that USA, your country, UK, Germany, France, Russia, China, Japan alone can destroy the whole world and in visible form by bombarding or atom bomb, etc. But these peoples using the digital system locking, what you are doing for Iran, etc., they can do your also missiles and airplanes as they dropped. They are initial attempting for Boeing MH737 from Malaysia, Indonesia region, and then Ethiopia. They have participate in this machine system to put their software so they can hack from remote. That was the Boeing plane crash main cause. So this is that they can do harm those countries now in better way, USA. They can destroy whole the USA, you people, without hesitation. I can say this, they have so vulnerable in your defense system, integrity and honesty within your military staff and all the COs, which has all Indian born COs are predominantly in these offices who has has taken all the control power in the all science laboratory, defense, White House, defense secretaries, or this Homeland Security, commerce, etc. Every place, space, NASA, everywhere. Even that Microsoft, Google offices only there. So what they cannot do harm, you like those country, humanity totally, in different, those types of wars, what you think that they can do in the visible way also, but what they can do harm more effectively for deep undersea, that all technology, private manufacturing sector or your marine weather, defensive sector, manufacturing sector, technology and their ownership, private ownership, government private ownership has been taken and managed by these peoples, and total they can do harm the total humanity. So on such more ways it has become till remained insensible, because you are not doubt this religious, spiritual, witchcrafty, the mouth of vagina of which ladies power in the deep watery vast media, what I have mentioned. Thus, all such countries has become vulnerable, where India is nowhere to cope up with this power or other any third world country. So, all the total humanity has become vulnerable at such insensible to you that methodology you cannot catch up, estimate, and remain invincible for that and invisible. What this mode will be top mode of humanity harming nature, climate disturbing, as being done as man-made calamities, then collapse, building collapsing, bridge collapsing, human collapsing, animal body collapsing, then sea tide, tsunami causing, sea erosion, rivers, etc., tide floods, then killing from remote using magnet. They are enjoying those power. So they are almost to destroy USA, to take all control by at their hand. Very soon they to do. My English has not been very proper because they have manipulated. The USA only what almost will be destroyed, and quarreling state where the people there will be in fighting with the Republican and Democrat. The black, browns, that between be black and browns, Islamic and this browns, which is the newly Islamic fanatics, extremist with a employed, exploit this extremist Islamic, satanic peoples, just mentality are the similar type. The USA, they cannot still date, do not imagine those powers, what they have acquired, gained, that will bring their ill fate in their each everybody's individual life, in mass life. And what they are doing through their coronavirus stealing and spreading also in your country. The most coronavirus death in your country, that is also comorbidity cases much, that due to climate change as man-made. The whimsically they change your climates of all whole USA.